girl Sharee here. So in today's video, I thought I would address a question that I've been asked a lot here on YouTube and just make this video as my response to all of you guys who've been asking me the same question. I have been answering each and every one of you who have asked me this question, but I felt that I would do this just in case there are new viewers that come on and see this particular video of mine and wants to know the answer to how I achieved this specific look. You guys already saw the title of this video and you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about. So basically, the most asked question that I get here on my YouTube channel is, how did I get this hair color? A lot of you guys seem to like this hair color of mine, and at that time I didn't think anything of it because it was basically a washout, like a fade out of a color that I previously had weeks before filming that video. So it was, for me, it was like a blog color because it wasn't vibrant how I originally had it. So for those of you guys who are wanting to know how I got my hair color, that color, this is the answer right here. This video right here is the answer. So if you guys want to know how I got this hair color, I will post the link to this video down in the description box. So basically, I just used the shade Magenta from Ion Color Brilliance, and I colored my hair with it, obviously, and this is how it turned out. So I had this hair color probably for about a week or two. It lasted about 2 weeks, and after a few washes, obviously the color is gonna fade, and it faded out to the color that all of you guys seem to like. Now, I know that you probably could achieve this color on its own, but I personally don't know what color you could use to achieve that. I'm just basically sharing with you guys how I got it, and it was from coloring my hair magenta, washing it a few times, letting it fade out, and boom, that is the result from the washout. Now, if you guys want to get that specific color and just kind of wait for it to fade out, your hair, I guess, has to be like how mine is right over here. Like, it wasn't really blonde, it was just kind of like a light brownish or like dark blonde, I don't know. That is how I started it off, and then I colored it with the magenta, and then blah blah blah, washed it out, blah blah blah, and boom, yeah, it's that fade out, like the rosy, I don't know what you would call that, like a rose brown, I don't know, but you guys like it, so I just thought that I would make this video and address all of you guys who've asked this question and give you guys this answer, because I know a lot more people are going to be asking me, because I've been answering this question ever since I made this video. I think it's been about 2 years or so that I made that video, and I get it a lot because there's new people who are coming to that video and are wanting to know. So hopefully, if you guys see this, and I know you will, because I will have my picture there with the hair color of how did I get this hair color, and yeah, hopefully this helps. But if you guys want, I don't know, take a snapshot of my picture, send it to the stylist and ask them, can I get this hair color? Because for me personally, I have no idea how to achieve that. I'm not a hair colorist professional or anything like that. I just simply like to do my own hair. I guess I could just call myself a hair guru here on YouTube, because I do like all sorts of stuff with my hair. Haven't done anything lately. It's just my blonde hair, and I'm just kind of like waiting for my bangs still to grow out. It is getting a little bit longer, but it's long enough to just push to the side. And I just wanted to say this to save any of you guys from wondering, but yes, magenta red, Ion Color Brilliance, wash it out, fade out, and then that is my hair color. I hope that helps you guys. So aside from coloring your hair, I mean, that is one thing, but also one thing that I would like to address is proper hair care. So like I always kind of mention in my videos that I am not a hair professional, but I have recently become a hair consultant. So if any of you guys have any hair needs or hair concerns or anything like that, holler at your girl over here. I can help you guys out, because ever since I've been coloring my hair, I've always been trying to find the right kind of hair products to just kind of keep my hair healthy and strong. And I found a system that works for me. So I thought, you know, I'm so into hair. I do hair a lot. I wanted to do something that can help me and can help you guys as well. So hair care is a #1 must. It's something that you guys should invest in. Your hair should be something that you are willing to invest in, because it basically is kind of like what makes you you in a way. I know there's other things that make you you, but if you're having a bad hair day, then everything else is off. So if you guys again have any concerns, if you have like thinning hair loss, or you know, frizziness, a lot of split ends, and you just want to know, you know, the right kind of products to help your hair, come and message me. You can contact me any way that you like. I have my email. I'll post it down below in the description box. You can email me. I will definitely get back to you guys, or you can just comment down below about, you know, your concerns, or that you want me to reach out to you. Leave your email or your Instagram handle. I will contact you there, or you can directly message me on Instagram as well. I always check them. I always reply back to them. So yes, let me help you out in that concept. So yeah, I think that is all I wanted to say. Oh my god, I don't know why I flipped back so bad. I think that is all I wanted to say in this video. I've been wanting to make this video for a while, just so that I can answer this most commonly asked question, and I hope it helps. I mean, it's probably not what you wanted to hear. You probably wanted to hear the actual color, but no, I didn't have an actual color to have it that shade right away. It was a fade out. Okay guys, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Oh, I just realized my nails match my shirt. I didn't even notice that. Bye guys.